Hi friends, welcome to VCreation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications when we upload new videos into our channel. And today in this video we will talk about the binary search in our C# list. So in case of the binary search, we have an existing list is present which contains couple of items in that list, and by using the binary search we are just trying to search that particular item in that list, and which will just return the particular index. Like let's say I have a list and which contains 3 items, and when I will just use the binary search method, then in that it will just find out that particular index of that particular item, and which will just return that index. Means what is the index, like whether it is a 0 index, whether it is a 1 index, or whether it is a 2 index. So whatever the index of that particular item, so it will just return that one. And let me give you a simple example by using our Visual Studio. So I am here in the Visual Studio. So let me first take a list of int, then I will add couple of items into my list, and after that I will just use my binary search method, and in that binary search method I will just pass a particular item value, and which will just search the particular list, and which will just return the index of that particular list. So here I have just created a list of int, but you can take any type of list like list of string, list of bool, or anything. But here I just used list of int. After that I added just 3 items into my list like 10, 20, 30. So here by using the binary search method I will just try to search particular items in my list. Let's say now I just want to search by 10 item, and as you can see the binary search method return type is int. So I will assign my index value to a particular variable. So here I have just assigned to x. Now by using the console.writeLine I will just print the index of my 10 item. So as you can see I used the binary search method, and where I just passed my item as 10. So which means it should print like the 0 index. Now if I run the application, then in the output window it will just print me 0. Now in place of 10 let me just use 30. Then it should print like the 2 value, means which is our second index. Now if I use like 20, then it will print like 1 index. Alright, now let me just change or add some of the values in my list. Like let me add a duplicate value like 10. So in this list 10 values contains 2 times in my list, and if I use a binary search to my item 10, then it should print like 0. The reason why it prints 0, because see in the 0 index 10 is present, and in the third index also 10 is present, but in case of our binary search it will just print the whatever the first index it will come. So as you can see here it will just print like 0, and if I'll add another like let's say 20 again, then it will like print me 1. So in the output window you can see it just print the 1 value. So whatever the first that item it will found, it will just return that particular index of that particular item. So this is all about our today's videos. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.